Ito. May ibibigay lang ako sa kanila. Ito po, dito ko nilagay. Yan, i-open natin. Na ito po. Ayan. Oh, ba, nagtupi na. Oh. Ito po, dito ko nilagay. Ayan. Dito sa Happy Mother's Day, I love you. Ito yan. You are the best mom. Tapos mayroon pang heart ng ganito. Ito to sa'yo. Oh, may heart yan. Nalaglag. Tapos mayroon pa ito sa'yo. Oh.
Thank you, baby.
Happy Mom's Day. Ayan o. Happy Mom's Day. Ayan. Ay, madumi nga ang kamay mo. Ayan. Tapos ito, I love you.
Hala, akin nalagay doon.
Ito. So, June na lang ikaw. Ayun o. May heart pa. Dito. Oh, you're the best mom.
Lagyan na katlipad.
Wilipad.
Lagyan mo muna. Doon sa kwarto.
Hi, Shimmer! So, we're going to Silangan na yon kasi doon kami magse-celebrate ng Mother's Day. Ayan, naka-ready na po ako. Let's go! Ayan na, laki ng improvement.
Say, ako na nag-ibig.
Oh! Na! Oh! Wow, ganda oh. Tingnan ko lang kung maganda itong... Oh, ganda pala nito oh. Parang aquarium. Ayan, nandito na. Hi, baby! Wow, Riri. Yay! Heart!
Where's the fish?
Oh.
Where's the fish?
Yay! Ay, patingin na flower. Yan! Ganda! Oh, say hello! Hello!
Where?
Wow! Ah! Nahanap po yung baby's crying!
Where?
Focus mo po yun.
Dangerous.
Yan! I want to see if you are scared in the hole. Okay? I want to see if you are scared. Oh.
Did you count it?
Riri. Wow, look at the sea. Look, Riri, it's a helicopter. Wow. Oh, Riri's not scared. Are you?
It's time to eat.
What?
Picture mo nga kami.
Oh.
Let's go.
What? Are you scared?
Hi. Sabi ng anak niyo, no, it's time to eat na. Let's go back.
Riri, oh.
It's so scary, mommy.
It's scared.
Not scared.
Not scary. Parang si Tita Shay mo. Scared din si Tita Shay nung ganyang edad. Nung ganyan ako sa'yo. Wow! Beautiful.
Ang seafood dyan.
Yan.
Oh. Mahal naman.
Oh,
1,000 isa.
where are we going?
Pero mura pa rin kasi doon sa pinanood natin.
I remember what to do. I feel I was stuck in here. It's not scary. Look.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What? You thought you're gonna fall down. Whoa. There's somebody.
Yay! They're running.
Those kids are not scared. Really, look, oh. Wow.
Awesome talaga.
Wow. Hey, baby.
Wow. Ganda ni Ram.
Ganda.
Where is your eyes? Where are your
Wow.
eyes?
Wow.
Ayun, dati daw, eyes mo, ituturo. Oh,
Eyes.
Where's the eyes?
Where are you?
Yeah.
Si kamot-kamot.
Eyes.
Eyes.
Oh, what are you doing? Nose.
Ears.
Ears.
Rans.
Your ears. Wow. Oh, cheers. Cheers tayo.
Cheers. 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 Yung kay Ranso.
Oh.
Baka aloko din. Ay, ang laway! Diyos ko po! Ang laway!
Favorite food. Mabango talaga kasi may sisig.
Let's sing.
Baby pala yan.
Let's sing.
Wow, ito yung katulad sa palaisdaan ah.
Kuya, kami hihingi pa ng tubig.
Ay, tubig.
Saka po tissue.
Let's go. Baby.
Kuya, saka tissue, hingi kami. Saka tissue. Kuya, magpapapicture din kami. Mapicture. Saan? Dito na lang para medyo matulog. Uy, mami.
Yan.
Thank you.
Sarap. Ay na. Wow, Riri. Ano, ang linaw ng water. Oh. Toss. Oh, toss a coin. Fountain. Elephant. Yes, Manila Zoo. This is a... Oh,
You want to ride in the back of the zebra?
zebra.
Go on the right.
A giraffe. Oh.
Daddy, want to ride now?
Ito, oh, may kalapati pa dito. Saan kaya yun? Ganda pala yan. Pasok tayo dyan. Ayan, oh.
It's a flower.
Yes! It's a fake flower. Yay! Picture. When Riri. Go.
Tapa.
Wow. Okay. Wow.
Smile, smile, Riri, smile.
Yay!
Smile, Riri.
Wow! Balikan mo na rin yung 10 months si Riri yan. Pakita ko muna. Ito, baka kasi nga malimutan eh. Pinakita ko na to eh. Baka maya-maya malimutan nila. Wow! Ito ang picture namin. Oh. Maliit pa ako dyan. So yan, pauwi na po kami. Ayan na po. Ayan. Pati syempre si Riri. So yan mga ka-shamers. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa Mother's Day ngayong 2024. Ayan.
Happy family.
So, yan. Happy family. Bye!